और इस वक्त हम आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं विशाखापट्टनम, जहां पर केंद्रीय मंत्री वेंकैया नायडू अर्बन ट्रांजिशन इन ब्रिक्स में बोल रहे हैं।
For stepping up economic growth in the member countries. All the 5 countries are members of the powerful G20 group and are major voices in the Committee of Nations given the size of their economies and their further potential. As McGrahan and Martine has observed rightly, the entire developing world is in the midst of global urban transition that together with economic globalization is shifting the economic sea of development, and the economic power is drifting southward, mostly notably towards the large and emerging economies of the BRICS. That is the power of this BRICS grouping. This further underlines the need for enhanced cooperation on various crucial and critical issues, including urban challenges, so that the full potentiality of economic development is realized, so that the rising aspirations of the people are fulfilled. For this, the process of guided urbanization through appropriate planning and execution holds the key. This conference is meant to serve these objectives. As referred earlier, BRICS economies have been identified as some of the fastest growing countries and the engines of global recovery process. There are several areas in which the member countries can collaborate with each other to address common challenges faced by us, of which urbanization is a key. As all of you are aware, India is currently holding the chair of BRICS. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is piloting spirited efforts to further national interest through effective bilateral and multilateral engagements with the different countries of the world. He wants to bring a transformation, reform, perform, transform. That is the motto of the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. There is a mission going on in the country, Mission Modi. Modi means not Narendra Modi. MODI, making of developed India. That is a mission before the entire country, and people of the country are all willing to join that mission. So keeping that in mind.
सीधा प्रसारण आप विशाखापट्टनम से देख रहे थे, जहां पर केंद्रीय मंत्री वेंकैया नायडू इस वक्त अर्बन ट्रांजिशन इन ब्रिक्स समारोह सम्मेलन को संबोधित कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने खासतौर पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की जो योजनाएं हैं बदलाव की, उसका वो जिक्र कर रहे थे। और दोपहर समाचार में आज के लिए इतना ही। अनुमति दीजिए, नमस्कार।